You know, yesterday I got a WhatsApp message coming from Upenwell saying Uguti Waras is no more. For a moment, I thought Uguti, it is fake news. I was hoping Uguti there's been a mistake somewhere. And when I saw the news breaking, Uguti DJ Waras has been shot at Carlton Center in the CBDs of Johannesburg. Carlton Center was the pride of Jozi, the building which was the tallest building in Africa for over 40 years. Carlton Center, I'm reminded of the days, Zabo Small Street, Bochiran, Skyring, how the mighty has fallen. At Johannesburg, you could never fire a bullet during apartheid. You could never fire a bullet in the CBDs at Johannesburg and lived to tell the tale. And I remember the early 90s or late 80s when Amakankrap caused damage. I think it was a countdown, a shootout. Amakankrap namaphoyisa when Mrembule had been killed. It was the first time, it was shocking news with someone, and somebody was brave enough to ukudubula. Bongeke mfethu edrobheni nginabo Brixton Murder and Robbery Unit. What this city has come to, invaded. Hey bafethu, boneva ngesikhathi samabhunu. Amabhunu ningawablame abafethu, but le country bebebambe kanje. Administration, the only corrupt police during apartheid were those who were looking for amaphekula, the rebels, the so-called rebels. And I so wish ukuthi ngabe they have rounded off all the rebels. Onke amaphekula, I wish ukuthi they have been dealt with, eradicated from the map as South Africa, because ngoba wafethu, we are suffering under amaphekula. Now, I've never met Waras, but I know him through his work, words, passion, because he is the last of a dying breed. Those who came after us, patriots, because in the now, patriotism is gone. He is the last who was vocal, active, fixing this country. And I hear many people saying, deploy SANDF, special soldiers. There is no SANDF. There is no South African National Defense Force. There was SADF before. The SADF that was in the top 5 strongest armies in the world. Yamabhunu. Lethu, nani baba. Inkabi. The mafias, cartels, they're running wild in the CBDs, the townships. Suburbs have been hijacked under the ANC. Yamaphekula. How I so wish ukuthi amaphekula were all destroyed. There was a time in Jozi, my city, Johannesburg, Gauteng Maboning. When Johannesburg was Gauteng Maboning, you go look, go Park Station, go Hillbrow, all the buildings hijacked. And not only in Johannesburg, all the cities, all the suburbs, all, including Sandton, Rivonia, Bryanston, houses hijacked. Criminals from foreign lands, criminals from here. How I so wish ukuthi amaphekula were destroyed. Bafethu, bogeza mo edrobheni. There were public toilets, clean. Before Zimbabweans took over public toilets. So the death of Waras, it leaves a poor taste in my mouth. And I feel cheated because I thought soon I was going to meet Waras and have a sit down. And I know I would have liked him. I know I would have liked him based on the things that he took to his heart. The humor, I mean, who kills a person like Waras? I'm reminded of the day when AKA was killed, taken away. Abo AKA and Abo Waras, they are the last generation of our celebrities, never made by social media, never made by paparazzis, never made by videos of alcohol in the ship-ins. People who stood for something. It leaves a poor taste in my mouth, as they say, Ugoti. When an elder dies in Egypt, they used to say, a library has been burnt down. When a young man has died, it seems and it feels like the future has been taken away. Someone has hijacked the future. That's how I feel. The death of Waras, it leaves a poor taste in my mouth, a sour taste in my heart, with a person can be taken out like that. In Johannesburg, you would not, back in the days in Johannesburg, and fire a bullet, and then 48 hours later, 24 hours later, and even maybe months, because I don't know, and still searching. Boboshwa immediately. What happened to Vimbani? Vimba. It's because the people who understand and understood Vimba, they are not in the CBDs. We've got foreigners who don't know what is Vimba. That's why a woman, can be raped, dragged to Mnyamandao. People are passing because they don't have the culture of Vimba. The culture of Vimba. Yeah, hey, Bafethu. South Africa is gone, Bafethu. South Africa is gone. South Africa is gone. And I feel cheated. I feel scammed. I'm angry. With Johannesburg, South Africa has become what it is. Building hijacking, mafias. For every business that you invest money, you will not succeed in this country because there are cartels. Like in the Western Cape. In the Western Cape, when you're going to work, you must pay someone protection fee. You take a taxi, go to work, come back. Extend, you must pay someone. Extortion, running a business. Everything is becoming like that. You'll hear tomorrow lawyers paying extortion fees, doctors, more surgery. People thought that, they are safe. Your buildings will be hijacked. If you're going to work, you're a doctor, you're a lawyer, you're a magistrate, you're a judge, one day you're going to pay protection here in Johannesburg and all over South Africa. I'm going to work. Like in America, Black America, where there's a pass, you must check in when you come to city to perform, to do work, contract work. In Hatfield, Pretoria, I saw people in CBD, Pretoria, guarding the building next to Helen Joseph Street, Paul Kruger, guarding an FNB building, renovating. I said, why there are so many, security personnel with guns? But no, they are there to make sure the extortionists don't come and demand their 30% for doing Pogorod. One day you'll be extending your house. People will show up from nowhere. But where's the extortion fee? Somebody who's coming to deliver bricks and cement will be made to pay extortion free fee. That is South Africa. How I so wish Pegula were taken out in the 80s. Maybe someone will say, I remember Egypt. Maybe things would be better, because yesterday such would not happen. Waras has been killed in the CBDs, Commissioner Street. That's why I still refuse to call these streets by the new names of Amapegula. John Smart Airport, John Foster Airport, Elof Street, Market Street, President Street, because Amapegula built nothing. Baragwanath Hospital, there's no fucking shit like Chris Hani Baragwanath. One day they're gonna rename this country the Republic of Mandela, the Republic of Kotane. South Africa, there's nothing wrong with the geographical name. There's nothing wrong. It's neutral. It favors everyone. Namibia was Southwest Africa for years. And things were proper. South Africa, it's gone, Buffett. The South Africa that we loved. Patriots are taken out. Abo Waras, they are the last of the patriots. After that, we've got drunkards. Because in a normal country, when you take someone like AKA Waras, there should be a revolution. When you take out people who are spreading the message of love, building, restoring what has left us, there should be a revolution. Just like in America when Martin Luther was taken out and people said, you took Malcolm. Now you're taking this one who was peaceful. No, it can't be. In a normal world, when you take abantu abafana nabo Waras, bo AKA, when the statistics say rape is higher, when the number of illegal foreigners are higher than what we are told, when we are told by Abo Fiber Tech, Uguti, the number as a South Africa is not 60-something million. We are into the 90s, if not hundreds. Foreigners, 27 million. Illegal or legal. Yafana, because they support each other. Some will say not all, but where are they not all when theirs are killing us? I have a fate. Josie is gone. Josie is gone. Josie is gone. And I feel robbed. Because I've never met Waras in person, but I've met him in Zenzo Zaki. In Tlizuyaki. I feel the loss. I feel the loss. We've handed this country to Mojos. Mojos, ibhari. Siphethwe yibhari bafethu. Ibhari mfethu ukuthi anikaboni. Siphethwe yibhari mfethu amamangcoli ingcoli, ama-fail pop. Noma bagezile akubonakali. Noma bagezile ababonakali mfethu. Babheke labantu. Noma bagezile ababonakali bompunga. Siphethwe yibhari bafethu. Siphethwe yibhari, bhari proper. Siphethwe yibhari bafethu.